Let me take you through just a few of the reasons why this Clermont Groveland area has become one of the most sought-after places to live in Central Florida. When most people picture Central Florida, you're probably thinking of flat, crowded, loud. But the people who move here and stay here long-term, they usually end up finding the exact same part of Florida, Clermont. And once you see it, it's hard to picture yourself anywhere else. Most people have no idea that Central Florida could even look like this. These rolling hills and back roads feel more like Tennessee or the Carolinas than what people expect from Florida. And right here in the middle of it is 9649 Black Walnut Drive. 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, open spacious layout. But the house, that's just a bonus because 5 minutes away you have wine tasting, festivals, evening sunsets on the vineyard. And that's just some of the reasons. The best part is that it still feels like a real community here. The neighbors actually know each other. People go outside and local spots stay busy. 2 minutes from this house is Trail Lake Park. You've got 40 acres of trails, shade, and open space and room to breathe. And for a lot of families relocating from bigger cities, this is exactly the kind of lifestyle that they don't realize they've been missing. Being 2 minutes away from here means weekends with the kids, or random evening walks, or sunsets by the lake, or hopping on the motorcycle and taking the back roads to the hills. And 5 minutes away is Lake Ridge Winery. Live music on weekends, festivals, wine trail events. It's been a part of this community for over 30 years. It's the kind of place that turns a random Saturday into something you'll want to remember. People always focus on the house, the square footage, but it's the lifestyle surrounding your house that actually makes the difference. Don't just focus on the house, focus on what you want your life to actually look like. This is what people are really buying into. Not just a house, a lifestyle that feels slower, calmer, and more connected.